How is it going? Welcome everyone, Scrembo here from Emotionless Crypto Trading. I would like to talk to you about Ethereum's technical analysis price prediction of the day for 21st of June. We're right here with a great reaction from the market, $930 billion market cap for the whole space, with a 24 hours volume which is looking quite good at $70 billion. Ethereum is sitting around 1,150 with a 5% increase for the past 24 hours. So I'd like to share with you some more information in terms of the data of the market and talk about the facts that we have. 30-minute candlesticks through our chart. Let's take a look at the lines. I do want to start with the context of the market, which has been going through a pretty radical position towards the prices. Over the weekend, we've been plummeting quite hard. Last days were representing another 18% retracement, forming a V-shaped bottom. That V-shaped bottom has reacted very aggressively, pushing the markets back above the price it has started, which is very interesting. This is from where the V-shape starts, and this is basically this slightly above price. It was clear that we're going to form a higher low, which is this one. At that time, it was pretty much clear we're going to form a higher low, and we're ready to skyrocket towards much higher levels in our 30 minutes, taking out the liquidity out of the weekend crash that we've been generating, located at $1,074. It's this blue line that starts from here, which is as well a pretty meaningful point towards the charts. From there, we've been able to generate a horizontal price point support level. Now, markets have retraced and they have continued to increase in a healthy way, which is why we've been able to take it up from the bottom to the top with 35.79% in 2 days and 19 hours. That's like 36%, folks. And if you multiply that with a 5x leverage, that is 175% in 2 days and 19 hours. And that's a lot of the money. 175%, it's a whole lot of the money on a 5x leverage just. So we've been having a pretty strong market reaction so far. We definitely need to keep these things in mind. And then on the other side, we've been able as well to do some ping pong at the end of the day. At the 1,160 level, we've been rejected 3 times, and then we've been pumping basically. The green line you see here is the channel line of support of a trend, which is something that we're about to lose here. There's 2 minutes and 16 seconds for the current candlestick to close, and it do not looks that healthy. So this line probably is going to be lost, and then the current short-term trend and channel will be lost, just like the pressure has been set by the green line from the above. That's a resistance line for the whole movement, which has reacted over here as well pretty strongly. Quite interesting the way the whole thing looks like, and definitely something to keep in mind. At the same time, we have at 1,075 a possible reaction of support, which is this one, 1,014 as well, another great level. What do we have to do right now is establish a strong support for our reaction. If we successfully do that, then we're going to be able to sort of a way build a higher high on the current level. So if we tend to revisit 1,014, find support and establish a much bigger low as a macro structure, a much higher low as a macro structure than the previous established on 18th of June, then we're gonna have a good time on the charts breaking above this specific top, representing levels above 1,200. What's that? $1,200. Yeah, for sure. So this is how the Ethereum looks at the moment. It is great, and there's nothing to be scared about. For those of you that have been wondering about my private one-to-one coaching, feel free to check out scrembocoaching.com, which is the page describing how my coaching program is functioning. One-to-one directly with me, live on conversations on Zoom. We're gonna do on our platform. There is basically a video explaining how it works. I'll take you by hand and teach you how to become a professional trader, building your business from A to Z. feel free to register now to find out more information so you can qualify with me for a free conversation of 15 minutes where I can explain you more and you can discover me in person. As well, for those of you looking to join my scrembocoaching.com/today trading business, where we perform the trading for you through API, there is no upfront fees. We're just charging a commission out of the pure profits we generate. On the left side of the page, you will be able to see my trading journey since September 2017 documented. As well, on the right side of the page, you have instructions and the way you can participate in our business. This is pretty much all, folks. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I see you soon.